set number 3. They had a good second set. They were able to pull away after going down 8-7 at the end of the first technical timeout.
Well, again, UP did not go down without a fight.
Yeah.
UP stuck to the score. Again, and it is a middle portion of the set, but NU just too much firepower. So, again, in spite of yung errors nila at the service line, okay pa rin ang NU still got that set. But UP really, a lot of potential, a lot of individual skills. Yung kailangan lang honing and a lot of volleyball time, court time for this young squad.
Let's take a look at these statistics right here.
Much better output in the attacks for the UP Lady Maroons with 9. Kanina 4 lang yan, and NU with 12. Pero yung block points naman, NU having 4 against the only 1 for UP. Yung errors, UP now with 1 more. NU at least nababa pa rin. Pero again, we keep on reminding our viewers, itong NU is such a powerful team. Only if they minimize the errors, dun pa lalo pang mararamdaman yung power nila. Because I'm pretty sure yung mga close games nila, mas mapapanalo nila pagka yung errors nila are minimized.
Once again, thank you so much to everybody watching on Studio 23. I'm Anton Ross alongside Mo Diravena. We have Apple David and Judy Saril reporting at courtside. Myla Pablo brought back in here in set number 3. Perhaps Coach Francis would like to finish this set out strong. Myla Pablo flying in, adjusting, and dips it with the left hand.
Right, it was really close to the net. And si Myla Pablo, somewhat of a broad jumper. Nahihirapan nga siya to break so you cannot give a set that is close to the net. It's either pupunta siya sa space ng kalaban, or yung injuries kasi happen in that portion, in that middle line. So yun yung mga adjustments ni Ivy Perez when it comes to mga sets. You have to know your spikers, kung ano yung mga gusto nila, ano yung mga favorite nilang height, favorite nilang speed.
And that's a difficult job for Perez because you have a very tall Dindin Santiago. So every time you set it up to her, you have to set it up
extra,
really
diba?
high. Yeah.
Extra, few inches higher than your usual quick hit.
So it's adjustments for Perez every time. Error there by Dadang. So as of this point, a total of 21 unforced errors for National University. I mentioned their season low was 24 against UP in the first round. But of course, that was a 3-setter.
And again, because in the second round, syempre you expect everybody, every team to step up.
Yeah.
So yung mga errors na yan, dapat na i-improve yan, di ba? Yung nababawasan yan. And even your plays. I'm pretty sure yung ibang coaches yan, may naka-ready na for the second round, may ibang plays na ginagawa. Because syempre, basa mo na yung first round, lahat nakita na.
UP once again sticking close to the Lady Bulldogs. 3-all is our tally here in the third set. Service is good for A. Magtalas.
Yep.
Doing a good job this afternoon of stepping in for the injured Ana Del Mundo. Let's go now to Apple David.
Masakit na sa ulo yung nilalaro nyo. Yan ang sabi ni Coach Francis sa Lady Bulldogs. Ang sakit na rin ng mata niya sa napapanood niya dahil ramdam niya na ina-underestimate ng Lady Bulldogs itong UP. He specifically told Dindin Santiago maglaro as a team at huwag isipin na kailangan buhatin yung team mag-isa. He noticed Dindin being too focused on scoring but not being able to do the little things inside the court. NU is up 2 sets to none at ang gusto ni Coach Francis tapusin na to. Kaya lang worried siya sa sakit ng NU na tuwing nananalo ng 2 sets, nagre-relax na. Kaya naman sabi niya, hindi 2 set ang kailangan para manalo. Dapat 3, kaya kunin nyo na to. Anton and Mosey.
Thank you, Apple, for that report.
That's why the
Yeah.
starters are inside
Yes.
again. You want to remedy yung sakit na yun na sinasabi ni Coach Francis. So they want to take this set and go home.
So far, NU has only won 2 games in straight sets. And those games happened this year against FEU and then against UP in the first round. So they are looking for their 3rd straight set victory here in UAP Season 75. Pablo. Nearly a service ace again for NU. Another point for Santiago and NU. Let's go now to Judy Sarah.
Pag binigay sa akin ng bola, dapat sa team namin ang puntos. Yan ang gustong maging mindset ni Coach Jarod sa Lady Maroons. Patuloy na minomotivate ni Coach ang Lady Maroons na huwag sumuko at huwag mapagod sa paglalaro. Dagdag niya, kung sila gumagawa ng paraan, aba, tayo din, mas kailangan natin yon. Lastly, gusto lang ni Coach na magkaroon ng presence of mind ng Lady Maroons at maliwalang kaya nila. Anton?
Alright, thank you Judy for that report. Magbabalik po ang UAP Volleyball dito lang sa Studio 23.